is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes up when getting involved in the stock market, please consider subscribing to the channel. I am currently in Apple right now. I decided to buy 5 call contracts here because I believe the price is going to increase. Let's see what happens with the price action. I am all out of the trade here, so I made a profit of $86, which equates to a 31% gain in roughly 25 minutes. But remember, I only invested $275 into this trade, so not bad overall. So now I'm going to take a look around. If I can find another opportunity, I'll take one more trade and then I'll call it a day. I am back in Apple, but this time I believe that the price is going to decline, so I decided to buy 3 put contracts here, anticipating that Apple is going to decrease in price. Let's see what happens with the price action. all out of the trade here for a $56 profit. I invested $375 into this trade, and this equates to a 15% gain, so not bad overall. So it is now 10:40. We're about 1 hour and 10 minutes into the trading day, and I'm up $142. So please keep in mind that small wins certainly add up. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.